Welcome to the Techinaut. Be a part of new and innovative way of learning in the association with Techinaut Institute of Technology. More than 150 centers are running successfully, spread throughout in different parts of India. Techinaut presents online certification in Diploma in C++ Programming. Build your professional credibility and gain a competitive advantage over others. Our certificate will work like catalyst in growth of your career. Our points of attraction that will motivate you to get associates with us. Techinaut Online Certification is fully automated and robust system with awesome user-friendly interface. We only charge nominal amount for certificate printing and handling. There are no hidden or extra charges. We provide high-quality certificate with high security hologram on it, so it cannot be illegally duplicated. Quality of our online exams covers and check knowledge level up to the current and future industry standard. We are associated with the best mind from industry. They regularly evolve exam pattern and create collection of questions. Our syllabus and questions are regularly updated to meet the future technology requirement for job recruitments. Let us get deep into the details about course and syllabus of Diploma in Cloud Computing. Basics concepts of C++ and C++ Advanced. Functions, namespaces, and exceptions in C++. Pointers, arrays, and structures in C++ and strings. Pointers, arrays, and structures in C++ and strings. Derived classes, templates, and exception handling in C++. Class hierarchies, library and containers and streams. Algorithms, objects, iterators and numerics in C++. Now, let us take a look how we serve you and what you get benefited from us. Every student get full detailed student profile at our educational social networking website. Here student can interact with each other like social website. Your Techinaut certificate will be globally recognized. Helps you in getting your dream job. Techinaut is an initiative of Techinaut Institute of Technology for online technical education. Techinaut Institute of Technology is registered under Government Act. We have an easy-to-use online certificate verification system. Student and anyone interested to verify certificate can do it online. Our well-trained expert provide best support and services team. Our syllabus and questions are regularly updated to meet the future technology requirement for job recruitments. Our other services that we offer related to online and offline technical education. We offer online interactive classes on variety of subjects. Classes are conducted by experienced industry expert. We offer high quality and engaging self-learning online video courses. You will definitely experience smooth learning. We offer high quality self-learning online free video courses. We charges only for certificate and its handling. Apply for our online certification that will boost up your professional career and keep you ahead of others. We also provide Computer Institute franchise of TechNot Institute of Technology to run offline and online courses under co-branding format. To keep connected with us and get regular updated information, you please subscribe or follow our account at popular social networking website like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp. Links and account details are given in the description below. To know more about TechNot, please visit our website www.technot.com. Please subscribe to our channel and stay connected with us. Thanks for watching. Wish you enjoyable life and successful career.